Okay na yun.
Welcome to our meme podium!
Hello, everyone!
Nagawan ko na eksena si Miss JJ.
Okay lang yan.
Hello.
Montreal edition. Okay. So,
Ano ngayon?
May iba siyang
Ano nga? May bago siyang ano? Isa pa nga. Bonjour!
Para lang merong ano ba?
Oh, did they speak French in
I think,
Montreal?
oo.
I thought it should be.
I think, hindi ko alam, sorry. Sa Monaco, I think, yeah. Doon natin gamitin.
Okay. Back to our cheese meat.
Yeah.
Yes!
Heavy, loaded, ano yun?
Very packed
Yes.
race recap.
Yeah.
Dito na tayo sa light.
Yeah.
And I'll start off with, ano ba?
Meme podium.
Anong
muna.
gusto nyo?
Oh, cheese meat
Anong una natin?
Yung light muna. Saka naman,
Huwag muna si ano.
Huwag muna siya.
Pag mo na yung favorite.
Oo. So they'll hang around.
Okay.
Baka pag narinig na yung Kim, lipat na sila na tayo tutuloy pakinggan.
Okay, so one of the big news is Gucci is entering F1
Kailan to? Next year?
in 2020.
Gucci.
Next year na nga. Next year na nga.
2025 pa rin ako, guys.
Bagong
It's
team o may
next
papalitan sila?
So, they're partnering with Alpine, and the Alpine name will be Gucci Racing Alpine F1. So, it's a Gucci team.
Gucci
I
team,
love
Louis
it.
Vuitton sponsor show.
With the Louis Vuitton, team.
You know, the Pursuit of Jade male lead, he's a Gucci ambassador.
Sino siya?
He's a Zhang Linghe, something like that.
Something like that.
Ay, nako.
She's
Wag
super
na.
short.
But she's Gucci. Ay, si Ann Curtis, meron sila.
Curtis is also
Sa Gucci. Meron sila noon ni Pursuit of Jade. Panoorin nyo, guys.
Side note.
My current obsession, Pursuit of Jade.
Maliban kay Charles.
we're gonna see- Sino nga yung nasa Alpine?
Franco
and
and
Franco.
Pierre.
Then, Alpine.
Yeah. Meron ng meme. Yung ano, yung yung canvas ng Gucci.
Yeah.
Suot nila. Pero I think it's just AI edited or something. Pero tas
Or maybe Pierre.
Di ba si Gasly is French?
yeah.
And then yung isa?
Argentinian.
Gucci.
Italian.
Italian. Yes.
Good luck sa dalawang. Charot.
Mm.
Yeah.
And Kimi is Italian. Oo nga.
Side note. Yannick Sinner. Okay. Yun, so that's one.
Ito na lang
Second
Italian.
is, baka naman masad ka naman na for him.
Yeah.
Liam Lawson and Hannah Brooke.
Break up.
Break
The first
up
place,
pala.
I'm shocked that he has a girlfriend. The joke lang.
Long term.
Really?
Mm.
Yeah.
Bata pa naman si Liam. Ilang taon ba si Liam?
20s.
Do we know the reason?
Walang sinasabi.
Ano?
Connect lang na hindi
Dun sa girl. Naku, grabe pa naman post yung girl ng ano, mga
really?
ano nila. Yes.
Ilang taon sila?
Ano sabi niyo long term? Long term bang 2 years?
Before F1 pa. Oo, before F1 pa.
2 years is long term.
Kaya nga eh.
Ano ang long term?
Hindi, kasi pang ilang year na. Third year na ni Liam sa F1,
Yeah.
no? Yeah, so. And before F1 pa ata sila. Pero American yata yung girl, no? Parang hindi New Zealand eh. Parang gano'n.
Pero hindi.
Oo.
Okay, and then,
Wala talaga reaction dun.
Ako may news, break up. Si Franco, may bagong girlfriend.
Second. Hindi ko din alam kung may girlfriend mo siya.
So kaya daw maganda yung performance
Performance
niya
niya.
sa Miami to Canada.
Yung mga young love na to eh. Si Kimi ang
So
gusto ko.
si Kimi heartbroken tapos biglang flourish ang kanyang F1 career.
Kaya nga.
it's also my dream. Next ni
Kimi. So,
May ex na rin si
Franco-
Kimi?
Franco.
Did we? Hindi ko na matandaan.
Yes.
Yung mga young love kasi.
Mm.
Puppy love, I should say.
No, it's like love, but you know, love.
Love. And then,
In their
Love
eyes,
in
it's
your
love.
20s.
Correct.
correct.
Oh, it's real naman ha, kapag ganong edad ka. Oo.
Stop natin yan.
Correct. Pinanghuhugutan ka.
Bird, 20 lang din kami.
Yeah, she got married 26.
There you go. Hindi kasi sige, ano ba yan? 19? 18?
19.
Hmm.
Pero, you know, they feel it that young already.
Okay.
Yes.
Kasi,
They
huli ka na. Correct, yeah.
And then,
And then?
side note, Maggie has a new
Sino si Maggie?
Oh, Lando's
Landos.
ex. Oh, are they
Na.
still together or ano?
Aba, artista ba yun? Akala ko influencer yun.
I think artista siya.
Anong movie
And
niya?
then,
May movie siya.
May movie.
First movie niya yata or
Yeah,
something.
Like Hollywood movie, ganong
Yeah.
level. Ah,
In
okay.
Portugal?
Ah, okay.
Mm.
Ayun. And then, as we've said a while ago, Max is our
Mm,
and
bro.
then even in the cool down room.
The cool down room. And the podium. The podium was so wholesome as well because they are both, you know, carrying Lewis and the Mercedes guy. They carried Kimi on their shoulders. And then Max was also very happy for Kimi. Yes.
Ayun.
May ginugoogle lang ako.
Anong
Wala
ginugoogle mo?
Sino yan?
Sino yan? Si Maggie? Sinong
Maggie
ginugoogle mo?
Gyllenhaal naman ang binibigay sa akin.
Oh, meron ako ding chika.
Yeah, go.
Ano?
Go
Si
for it.
BYD daw is wanting to
yes!
enter F1
Ah?
with
Christian
Chris
Horner.
Horner.
Ay, oo, nakita ko yun. Oo.
Oo.
Totoo ba yun? O...
It's just rumors. Allegedly.
Baka bumalik din si ano,
Si
sino yan? Si Zhao.
si Zhao Guan Yu. Oh, si Zhao.
Meron pa yun. All rumors pa yung
Yes.
And then, the main part, are we ready?
Oh, yes.
Meme podium or ano? Ah, hindi.
Favorite
Our
memes.
favorite segment.
And, siguro favorite meme
Memes
muna.
muna.
Talagang ayaw niyo muna.
Pwede natin yun.
Okay.
Oo.
So, who
So,
goes
hang in
first?
there, guys. We're getting there. Ito
I'll go
muna.
first. My meme for, is,
Ang daming memes.
hindi nga siya actually meme. Fact naman siya. Yung borderline something.
Oh, yung
Posted
ano,
by
yung
Red Bull.
yung saan ba yon? Sa Twitter ba yon? Or
Sa
sa X? X na nga
Wala
pala
ng
ngayon.
Twitter
no?
ngayon.
Yeah.
So,
Napagsabihan ka.
X.
sa X.
Yung ano.
Anyway, ayun nga, as you remember.
Yung headdress ni George kasi tinapon niya
Tapos, yung famous monologue
ni George.
not going his way, he lashes out with unnecessary anger and borderline violence. You know,
I'll show you.
Borderline violence. Tapos yung Red Bull Racing admin, maybe they forgot that they're using the admin account.
No, I think it's meant talaga.
They posted under
They
they reposted the
So yung pinost nilang meme na yun, recent lang yun, yung after nung...
Correct, yeah.
And they hindi naman sila yung nag-post ng meme. They just reposted and said borderline something.
Ang juicy pala nung sinend mong yun. Di ba pinalaman? Hindi ko...
Kasi Red Bull yung
Ayun
kasi,
nga, that's what
yeah.
makes
for
it juicy.
context, George said something
About
years
Max
ago about
2024
Max.
Abu
About
Dhabi.
his violence.
About
he
Max.
lashes out when things don't go his way, blah, 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 blah.
Mhm.
Anyway, now, Red Bull got back. Tama ba?
Oo.
Mm.
Yeah.
Kind of in a witty way.
Yeah. Borderline
something.
Yes.
Alam nyo ba na na-fine si George? I mean, suspended fine. $5,000 because of the when he said they said it's like setting a bad example to F1 audience or something like that.
Anong penalty niya?
5,000 euros, I
Okay.
think. Suspended though, so it's not yet fined.
Okay,
Parang
okay.
towards the end of the year. Parang ganun. But I feel like they should just give it to George.
Di ba nila ginagawa yun usually pag na-aksidente?
Exactly. It's like, come on. Sabi nga ng isang commentator sa Sky Sports, parang no, it's actually Gunther. Gunther said, I have a 17-year-old kid and he does much worse than throwing a headrest. Parang ganun. Parang,
Kaya nga, akala ko naman normal
it's out of
yun.
frustration,
Normal.
right?
Pero kasi, the way, yun nga, marami nga kasing nagalit kay George because made that statement towards Max before.
Hindi, yung
I
ano,
mean, why would the FIA fine
yung
him?
fining ang ano.
Yung fining, yung question. But yes.
Dahil dun
Kasi
sa helmet thing.
sympathy.
Kasi it's
Oh,
George. Yun na lang siguro yun. Masasagot na lang ng FIA because it's you, George.
Okay,
I know. I feel like I'm
Nagta-type sa phone mo.
oh, it's listening. Look.
Nagta-transcribe?
Oh, it's
scary. Okay. Yeah.
texted it to our chat. But anyways, no, on the George thing. So my meme is that.
Si George pa doon. Tantanan nyo na.
I'm sorry, George. You're so memeable.
Take it as a compliment.
Correct.
But
I
a
mean-
bad publicity is still a publicity.
Correct.
I feel for him. I know he
Do
will
you?
get.
Do you?
I will get. He will get his, his confidence back. But it's just so memeable. This one, do you know Regina George? That's Regina George. Yes. George.
I thought
The burn book.
na
George.
Akala ko naman, they're
It's been
memeing.
going on ever since.
Hindi, akala ko, the meme was about the attitude. Yung character, yung not the name.
But it's also,
Oo.
it's
Because of its Regina.
George and George.
Oo, tingnan mo.
Kita ko mga burger no AU.
Everything is not working for him. Pati pangalan niya is associated to a mean girl.
But when George was in Williams, he wasn't hated like this.
Because it's Williams.
No one cares about
He was still underdog, right? I think
Kaya nga.
something has changed.
No, but they're laughing at December when he had William.
I mean, it's not the majority. Like they were laughing, but some were like, it's
Because he wasn't
it's been 2 years since he was in Williams and he had the
he wasn't
point.
the star of the show. Lewis and
Yeah, kaya nga, it's
He's a
Williams.
bit of star na.
I think
Even-
once he went to Mercedes, that's when the haters came in for George. Because I think even before that, when he did something to Bottas, I mean, that's when I started hating.
Doon naman talaga nagsisimula lahat.
Like, yes. But anyway, so
Anyway,
I feel for George, and yours is not a George related.
No, it's not George related, but it's related to that line. That's why I hate Liam Lawson. Because he did something to... Sino nga ba yun? May niyabangan siyang gano'n.
Si Perez.
Perez. Oh, yung mga, wag
yes.
yung mga seniors. Wag sina Bottas, wag sina Perez.
Even now, I think a few races ago, I think in Miami and also in Japan, they were, I don't know, they're still going at each other. Liam and Perez.
I can't blame. Irita siguro talaga. Ako nga na hindi niya ginawan ng gano'n. Irita. Paano pa si Perez? Nakikita niya doon. Anyhow. Ano yun? Yung sinend ko sa kanila Merong podcaster, 3 men, 3 guys. I think you know this podcast.
Yes.
They were discussing about a meme that they saw regarding Liam Lawson. Someone tweeted,
I think it's because they were reflecting on the Liam's collision
with Gasly. Yeah.
in Miami. Yeah.
So there's a quote saying, describing Liam Lawson as, what do you call this? Has Max, what do you call this? Hang on, wait. Liam has Lance Stroll skills and Max Verstappen's ego. Diba?
a perfect way to describe him.
Exactly.
Uy,
Although to be fair, I think
Yes,
it's
it's
not
been
fair to
racking
compare
up
him to
points.
Liam Lawson. Pero it's just funny na ganun ang tingin sa kanya because of
the way he races.
exactly, correct.
Okay lang, guys. That's nice.
Speaking of Lance
Gwapo
Stroll.
naman, I'll give that. Pag gwapo naman siya, magaling pa kumanta, makakahanap ng girlfriend.
Ah.
change career.
Change.
No, he's been consistent naman si Gus.
Oh, number 7 naman siya. That's it because tatlo yung DNF. So,
Speaking of Lance Stroll,
Yeah.
alam niyo ba, in Canada, he is 4 laps down.
alam.
Canadian, right?
Yeah.
Oh, no.
Alam si Lance talaga, nag-ano na lang yun. Yung,
Ay, alam mo ba who's with him?
anong with him? Like,
In the
girlfriend?
lap 4.
lap four?
In
Albon.
4 laps down. No,
Ah,
Albon
okay.
didn't race.
Yeah,
didn't
DNF,
finish.
sorry. Yeah.
Valtteri Bottas.
Kasi na may issue sa sasakyan yung mga yun, di ba?
Yeah.
Hindi
But
rin.
Perez is, before Perez DNF, Perez is not that slow. They're saying na baka replace si Bottas.
Really? I thought they were just using this the
To
car.
learn. But you know, they have Ferrari engine.
They should at least
And-
try. Yun yung point.
Exactly. So, I
Change
think,
career na rin yun si Bottas.
why?
Mag-ads na lang, oh.
Oh, I know he's going on cycling races, gravel races.
Wait,
Tsaka bentang-benta yung mga ads niya sa akin, ha? Australian, ano niya?
I think
Yeah.
fly rin siya.
Mm.
So, change career na din yan si
Parang si ano? Parang si
No, I think they have different disciplines.
Ricardo.
Si Perez, he wants to push the car.
Mm.
And then push to the point that they will discover reliability. Si Bottas naman, he just wants to make the most of the car, like lap around lap, so that they have more data. So probably that's why. But they're saying that they're not happy with Bottas' performance. He might get replaced.
Okay. Okay. Okay, on to our very exciting
Headline.
our headline.
Headline ngayon.
May I just say that Louis should actually travel with his mom.
Yung nga hindi mo nabanggit yan. That's mentioned
Because in
that.
China, mommy's there, and then in Canada, mommy's there, and then
Yeah.
podium. It's actually his second runner-up or second podium with Ferrari. The highest podium he's got with Ferrari. So, dapat kasama niya lagi si mama.
Yun nga eh.
Yeah, he said na for daw. Donated
Oo, parang may anxiety ata or something. Yeah.
na-promise daw yung mom niya.
He will travel more.
Oh,
with
sweet naman.
him.
Kaya siguro he wants to make the most out na nandun yung mami niya.
Mm.
Kinonquer ng mami ko ang anxiety niya para mapanood ako. Bakit mo?
Exactly.
Aw.
Yes.
So, I think
So,
the Mama Louie.
kita mo talaga yung reaction ng mami niya nung na-overtake ni Louis si Max. Ganun talaga.
Oo.
Sweet. Si Mommy Carmen. And
Carmen ba pangalan na?
Carmen. Yes. Mommy Carmen.
Mommy Car-
Who met.
Hiwalay ba parents niya?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, our headline.
Ayun nga, headline.
Mommy Carmen.
Mommy Carmen
Yeah,
met.
Isa pang mommy.
Carmen met.
Mommy.
Chris.
Ayun! Ang ganda ng segue na yun. Actually, ang galing mo doon. Ang witty doon. Yes, very much.
Oh my God.
Correct! Ito na talaga yon. Wala na siguro
Correct.
the next level pang press release or photos na pwedeng i-confirm mo, isil na sila na
With the
talaga.
kids and all.
Exactly. Hindi, tsaka with the mom on the, with
Kris
Kim
Jenner.
on the front of the car at saka mommy at the
Mommy
back.
niya.
Mommy at
Mommy
the
ni
back.
Louie.
Oo.
Yes.
Yeah.
And before going in their car, they put the kids in their own car.
May ganon.
Yes.
Ilan ang stepkids ni Louie? 4?
I think so.
4 ba?
Apat.
Mhm. But they were saying
Sige.
those kids have met all of Kim K's boyfriends.
Malamang, sa sikat na sikat yung nanay nila. I don't think they even need to.
So it might not be the level up that we are wanting
Mama Carmen is there.
on Louis' part, but on Kim K's part,
Yeah.
Northwest, Saint West, Saint, Chicago, and Sam. Lahat pala yun anak niya kay Kanye.
Kanye.
Ah.
Mm.
So there. And side note, that is what the
Sino nga si Scott Disick?
Scott Disick is the ex of Kourtney
Kourtney.
Kardashian.
So close pa siya sa family, ganun ba yon?
Kasi may anak.
Except Kourtney.
Pero, pero invited yung ibang
Nothing.
Pero
But
invited.
yeah, the whole Kardashian clan. Oh, that
Kasi may anak sila ni Courtney, di ba?
Okay. Sino nga si Court?
Yung ate,
Una.
yung eldest.
Yung chubby.
No, that's Chloe.
the small one. You know,
Si
pag eldest,
Kourtney.
they're the smallest.
But the prettiest, so.
Courtney. Sige nga, sige tuloy-tuloy
Ako,
niyo lang.
mas magaganda na kay Courtney. Before pa nabago yung face ni Kim, nung start pa lang.
Ako si Kendall talaga.
Aha.
Ay, hindi talaga. Half yon. Siya,
Hindi na
47
siya
na siya.
Kardashian.
Yeah, with ang boyfriend niya, Travis. Ay, asawa na pala, sorry. Travis.
Basketball player. Sure.
No!
Sino yun?
Si drummer.
Ah!
Si All Small Things ba yun?
Ah!
Small Things.
Oo, sino nga?
Blink-182.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Ayun pala to.
Guys.
Ayan
Ang sabi
po.
naman nila, Kris Jenner is also close with Timothy
Chalamet.
Chalamet. Chalamet na lang. Chalamet's mom as well. So, baka daw same.
And then side note, Jacob Elordi.
Yun nga yung mga memes din. Paano daw nagagawa ni Mommy Chris na gano'n ng mga jowa ng mga anak niya.
She's the momager.
Kaya nga.
So,
The
ayan.
master.
Correct.
Ayun na. So, yun
Ayun na. Diba? Kim at saka Louis getting stronger, going stronger.
Meron kayang sighting sa Monaco.
Saan pala nangyari yung sa LA, yung dinner?
Oh,
So pumunta si Mommy sa nasa Canada na pala siya. Okay, fair.
Yung post press conference, post-race press conference, may nagtanong, somebody was asking Louis kung ano yung plans after. Kasi nga, sabi niya, ipapasyal daw niya yung mommy niya around. Yes. So, but sabi ni Louis, I won't tell you because for security reasons, blah, blah, blah. But may sinabi siya, tapos parang yun yung sabi na parang, this is one of the planned itinerary for Mommy Carmen. Parang ganon.
Seryoso na
Alam mo
talaga ito.
yun pa rin.
Headline na yun, no? Nilike lang niya po.
So, Louis is in love and this is the result. Franco's in love. This is the result. Puro in love.
Charles is in love, but then...
Really, guys?
No. Charles just got married. I think.
On Charles?
Yeah, we did.
Yeah.
And you?
Hindi. I did.
Yeah, second.
second.
Both of you.
The two of us second, si JMA first.
Okay.
Let's bet on love, guys.
Wala ko siya. I know. Bye-bye! Till our next
Yeah.
Mona.
Rumor has it I'm the one you're leaving her for. Rumor has it.